Hey guys, we're gonna get started with using the Vex robots now. So I'm going to teach you how to program them first. So today what we're going to learn how to do is use a website called robotmesh.com. And that'll allow us to program them, and then from our laptops we can plug in to the Vex robot and give it our program. We can program it to do whatever we want. So let's get started here. This is the website. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to go to, you're going to have to use Chrome. So it doesn't work with Safari or Firefox or whatever. And you come in here and you just type in robotmesh.com. It's all one word, no space, no underscore, nothing like that. And then what you want to do, you don't have to do this, but it's good for us, so you don't lose your work. You're going to come over here and you're going to click the sign up button. Then you're going to want to go in here. You're going to pick a username. I think you can use your email, but just pick a username, something that, remember that I'll probably see it. So, and then just put in whatever your birth date is there, and then pick a password. Pick a password, nobody's going to try to hack into this, so don't use your most important, password you use on your, I don't know, Facebook or whatever you guys use. And then, I just use a password vault, just generated a password randomly right there. And then you come in here and you type in your name. And here you're going to want to just use your E3 email address. 3civichi.com. And you probably don't want to sign up for the newsletter, but do whatever you want. So you see there, that's all it took to sign up. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go in and make sure you have all your plugins set up. There'll be a button up here if you don't have it. Now you're in Robot Mesh, and it brought you into Robot Mesh Studio. Sometimes that's harder to find, so I'm going to go back to the main page just to make sure I show you where it is. You can click up here, or you can click down here. We want Robot Mesh Studio. We don't flow all Vex EDR. We are using Vex EDR, but we don't need to click that. So just go to Robot Mesh Studio. And then, when you're in there, then you gotta click the Use Online button up here. Then, here's why we wanted to create a username, because now you have all of your projects. Anything you design, you'll be able to look it up here. You can look up their other projects that people have over here. But so right now we're going to create a new project. You're going to go into these settings. You're going to, well, I guess I'll do this in the next video. I think this is probably a good amount. So let's bring it back. So what we talked about is basically just how to set up an account on Robot Mesh Studio. It's a pretty important first step in using this software so that you don't lose all of your work. A few people wrote programs last year that then they turned off their computer and they couldn't find it anymore. So if you have a username, you'll be able to look it up and find it. Good.